In mid-July 2026, a series of rare intense winter storms abruptly shattered the tranquility of central Chile. This extreme precipitation event, the worst in 2 decades, rapidly transformed long dry canyons into roaring torrents. On the 19th of July, the torrential rain peaked in the Coquimbo and Atacama regions of northern Chile. In these normally arid areas, some locations received an entire month's worth of precipitation in just a single hour. Continuous rainfall quickly saturated the superficial soils of the dry mountain slopes, triggering widespread geological instability. Landslides and debris flows blocked multiple vital north-south highways, while rising rivers washed over bridges, isolating dozens of connected communities. In the Santiago and Valparaiso regions, excessive rain fell on hard surfaces that could not absorb the water in time, producing massive surface runoff. Across the nation, over 1,100 homes were completely destroyed or severely damaged by the deluge. Official reports confirm that the disaster has claimed at least 10 lives, with several others still missing. 10 of the country's 16 regions were affected, leaving nearly 104,000 people temporarily cut off from the outside world. As the emergency escalated, the Chilean government declared a state of catastrophe in the 2 hardest-hit regions, quickly mobilizing the military and emergency services. Under the cover of night, rescue teams braved fierce winds and chest-deep waters to search for survivors trapped in ruins and high ground. Nearly 6 metric tons of emergency supplies arrived via an aerial corridor. Emergency workers stacked sandbags along vulnerable riverbanks, while heavy excavators cleared boulders from blocked transit lanes, struggling to rebuild connectivity and order from the wreckage.
Acá se desbordó el canal, parece, mira.
Meteorologists attribute the deluge to a Category 5 atmospheric river, an extreme weather system acting as an invisible, high-altitude highway transporting colossal amounts of tropical moisture. As this dense corridor of moisture collided with the towering Andes, orographic lifting forced the air upward, where it cooled and rapidly condensed, unleashing catastrophic rain over the windward slopes. The long-term driver behind this anomaly is the return of El Niño, which has significantly elevated ocean temperatures in the eastern Pacific. This warmth not only fed more evaporated moisture into the atmosphere, but also altered traditional storm tracks, pinning the frontal system directly over Chile's arid north-central region and triggering this historic storm. As the storm system moves eastward, the rain has finally begun to ease, but post-disaster risks persist. Saturated hillsides still pose potential landslide threats to vulnerable, low-lying settlements. In an era of escalating extreme weather, these events serve as a poignant reminder that scientific early warnings and resilient infrastructure are our most critical lines of defense.
¡Oh, qué terrible! ¡Mira la calle!